You live in this world and you do damage to somebody's car, you basically just get up and go. And that's how people are in today's society. So we have here is a, lovely, nice dent, scratch, scuff. And it goes all along to the next store. From here to here. You see anything that looks out of the ordinary? It's hard for you to see on black, but I will give you a nice close-up look the best I can right here that I'm going to continue on. Well, it feels like it's a material, rubber. And let's get right to it. Hey, I'm Fish. I haven't done a video like this in a long time. Can you see this? Give you a real close-up shot. I'm going to show you how we're going to get this out and clean it up. Don't mind the reflection of me or the camera. You're looking at the actual scuff mark. You can laugh all you want. And it goes all along. Like I said, no matter where you go, you're going to have people on the forums, your co-workers, your friends, even your family member, neighbor, whoever. You never know what they're going to do. And it's the damn truth. Well, this is called polishing compound. It's nice and wet. I'm working on just a little at a time. I'm going to now just take my towel. I am going to polish it. I'm going to go one more pass. I don't have much left. Would you care to buy me some? As I work on it, I don't work a lot with a lot of pressure. I keep it wet. When I don't talk, it means I'm doing a great job. Look at that bad boy. Just over here. All this is gone. Oh yeah, take your time. You'll get it. I got glue over here that needs to come off. Just a little more. Almost got it. You can rub-a-dub-dub all you want. Don't rub too much. Always change your cloth. Would you like to stick around for the rest of it? I keep things wet. I have to do over here right now. And I'm done. Put a little bit more polish. Take a little break. Take my time. And we'll make the member very happy. If I did a good job and I showed you how to get it out, show a like. Don't let it get on the rubber. Show a like down below. I'm going to give just a little wash. I don't care if my window's open. Wipe it on down. always going to be a smart ass. Do it yourself, bring it in, all up to you. This stuff did the job, and I hope you can have fun with yours.